Beach, a live look under mostly cloudy skies right now. Not so much from the marine layer as from a big cloud field that's rolling over our heads at this very moment. A cold front rolling through the region up north. We've got some showers down here. We're going to look for a slight chance of some drizzle up in the mountains, the foothill regions as we make our way through the day today, but otherwise we'll stay dry as we make our way from those mountain communities out towards the coast. Right now, out the door, temperatures on the cool side. Good morning to you in the basin at 54 LAX, the coastline at 53, a little bit cooler with those upper 40s into some of the valleys in the Inland Empire. Once again, a look at the Doppler. We're dry. Just off the coast of San Luis Obispo County, we're starting to see the dying end of that frontal band moving into central California, showers up in northern California. And again, as we take a look at that visible satellite, you're looking at that southwesterly flow. Everything's moving up towards the northeast, and we're all under the influence of mostly cloudy skies. As we take a look up towards Santa Barbara, you'll slowly see that cloud cover making its way to the southeast over the next few hours. We will see some sunshine out there, but we'll stay partly cloudy into the afternoon. And with the onshore flow, we're going to be a little bit cooler than yesterday on Thursday afternoon. Once again, a quick reminder of those slight drizzle chances, but it's going to be very brief because as we head on into the weekend, you'll notice a difference Saturday, sunny, dry, still about average, but then we start to warm things up on Sunday, and by Monday and Tuesday into next week, it will be downright hot here. Taking a look at the winds right now, calm wind conditions, but into the afternoon, that onshore flow picks up for us for about 4, 5, 6 o'clock. We'll see some of those winds back into the teens. Pollen will pick up as we head in towards the weekend as well with the warm weather and the breezy conditions. Mulberry, sweet gum, and ash will start to be a little bit more prominent. Here's the rainfall up in northern California. Here's that cloud band moving through our area, and we'll continue to see that through about the mid-morning and into your lunch hour before we see a little bit more sunshine. 69 tomorrow on Saturday, 78 Sunday, and look at the heat. Monday, Tuesday, mid-80s to upper 80s and then 90s. Inland Empire looking at 60s today, and they'll see some 90s by Tuesday. The valley sections also looking at 60s, and they'll be into the 90s. And we're going to have beach weather, Stephanie Simmons, as we head towards Monday and Tuesday. It's going to be gorgeous out there.